Hey there guys, I'm back again, and today it is time to unbox my favorite box, which is the Styletone box. I took the liberty of taking off the cap, as you can see. Now, like I explained in my last video, this is actually Styletone's August box, not the September box. I do have the September box right here. We're going to unbox that as well, but not today. Today we're going to do the August box. As y'all know, again, like I mentioned in my previous videos, I always take like kind of a summer break for about a month and a half, which means I'm late with boxes, but however, I still want to unbox them either way. So this is the August box, even though it's September. Now let's open it up, and inside we've got two cards, which is All Love Begins From Within. Unfortunately though, I don't use these cards. This is what it looks like, so they kind of end up in the trash with me. Now this is the inside, there we go, of the box. Okay, let's start off with something huge, which is from Daily Concepts, Individuals Who Think in the Shower, Daily Hair Wrap Towel. Oh, this is actually really, really cool because my mom loves this kind of stuff. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to pass this along to her, but I'm not going to give this to her yet. I'm going to give it to her for Sinterklaas because in December, here in Holland, you have Christmas, of course, like everybody pretty much in the world has. But we also have St. Nicholas, not Saint Nick as in Santa Claus, but Saint Nicholas, which is the 5th of December, or in Dutch, Sinterklaas, and that is when we give out presents to each other as well, or in Croatian we say Sveti Nikola. So that is what I'm gonna do with this. Where is my booklet, by the way? I want to know the prices of, oh, it's right underneath. Okay, so I'm gonna have to, whoa, this is a huge booklet. Wow. Whoa. Really, really big. Okay, so the Daily Concepts hair towel is worth €15.95. Okay, moving along to Dr. Botanicals, the Moroccan Rose Light Summer Cream. It's fall now. Okay, so this is what that box looks like, and of course we're gonna open it up. It's still a cream though, and maybe I can save it for next year since I didn't open it just yet. I will have to see how long I can keep this for, but if it's like a particular summer cream, a lightweight moisturizing cream formulated with coconut oil to hydrate and nourish the skin. So this is what it looks like. Basically a very, very pretty tube. It kind of reminds me of this toothpaste tube, you know, the wow, speaking is hard today. Aluminium wrapping, but I do really, really enjoy the look of this. Now let's see on the inside. Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Light Cream is worth 59 euros. Are you freaking kidding me? That's more than my Estee Lauder. I'm just gonna say it. I don't really believe this cream is gonna be better than my Estee Lauder Day Wear. But hey, I might just be surprised. We'll see. Okay, moving on to Lord & Berry. I love Lord & Berry, so I'm really happy with this. This is a eyeliner in the color white. Very, very white. I don't know what I'm showing you guys because it's a freaking eyeliner. Everybody knows what an eyeliner looks like, I feel. But this is what it looks like, a very white. Really happy with this because I love white liners. Let's see, Lord & Berry eyeliner is worth 15 euros. Then we're gonna move on to a Mud Masky Mineral Infused Double Cleansing Mask. Okay, 3-in-1 formula for sensitive skin, so that's really cool. Replaces your night cleanser. Deep cleansing, pore refining, restoring, nourishing, and hydrating. It says replaces your night cleanser. This is a night cleanser, really? This non-foaming, fragrance-free cleanser is infused with rich minerals to detoxify and deep cleanse your face before bedtime. Yeah, so this is for nighttime. Skin-loving ingredients like Moroccan lava clay, fruits, and flowers makes it suitable even for the most sensitive skin. Reduces redness. Oh, that's cool. Helps preventing and reducing acne. Okay, so that is pretty cool. I'm gonna have to give this fella a try. So this is what it looks like. Now let's see in the booklet. Mud Masky. The cleansing mask is worth a whopping 49 euros. Like, who the hell comes up with these prices? There's no way. This only 75 milliliters, by the way. This small of an amount is worth 50 bucks when my La Roche-Posay, the Lipicur Syndet or something, I got from my dermatologist. I got 400 milliliters in there, so more than 4 times this little fella. And that one I pay about 20 bucks for, and it works magic, even on the most sensitive skin. Like I said, my dermatologist even, you know, told me about it. So high expectations, high expectations. Okay, let's move on to, what's this? Girl Power liquid lipstick. Oh, liquid lipstick, no. Damn it. Okay, this is a matte liquid lipstick from the Beauty Crop. The color is Rum and Raisin. It looks pretty awesome, but y'all know I absolutely loathe with every fiber of my being liquid lipsticks. I cannot handle dry, crusty lips. Sorry. So this will be in a giveaway. The Beauty Crop Girl Power Liquid Lipstick is worth 10 euros and 80 cents. And you guys, speaking about giveaways, I need to get back in the groove. This is all new after taking such a long break, but I like to kindly remind you all to enter my giveaway. We need to reach 600 subscribers in order for me to give away a satchel filled with makeup, and immediately afterwards a new giveaway will start. I like to host giveaways on my channel. It's my way of saying thank you for taking the time to watch my videos and supporting me. So, you know, I hope you guys can help me out. You need to be subscribed to my channel, like the video, and leave the comment underneath the video. And that is the way to enter. It's very simple. It's open worldwide. So make sure to check out my giveaway and make sure to tell all of your friends and family members to enter as well. Moving on to another item from the Daily Concept. Something is wrong with this box. This box is very dirty. This is a multifunctional soap sponge from aloe vera. But it's vegan. Look at the box. Look at how see those like stains? It's a very dirty box. So I'm not really sure what I'm gonna find in here. I think it's just the shampoo. It's not a shampoo. It's just the bar. Oh, it smells really good. Wow. This is what that little sucker looks like. Yeah, it smells really good. Multifunctional, but I'm just going to assume it's for your body and not for your face. Simply wet skin and soap sponge with warm water. Cleanse skin in circular motions and lather and exfoliate. Use on body or face, depending on your comfort level. Yeah, I'm not going to say to people use this on your face. On your body, that's perfectly fine. Don't use it on your face though, especially people with sensitive skin. Don't do that. Okay, let's see. We got 2 items from the Daily Concept, but, oh, there we go. Daily Concepts Aloe Vera Sponge. Sponge? This isn't it's a soap sponge. Anyway, it's worth 6.95 euros. Okay, we still have quite a few items in here. This is from Floss, my everyday eyeshadow in the color, Corfu. I think we already received this fella in a different box, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think we did. I don't want to butcher the box if I'm not going to keep it, but dang, is it hard? Yeah, I already ruined the box. So if I'm going to do this in a giveaway, I'm going to give this away without the box. Sorry, not sorry, but me and boxes, I mean, look at what I'm doing. Hello. Me and boxes just do not mix, okay? Okay, come on there. Come on. There we go. Yeah. I got this color. And I'm going to give it away because I gave away the last one as well. This is what it looks like. The color is pretty. However, I'm definitely more into palettes than I am singles, unless the color is so freaking amazing. But more into palettes. Okay, so I don't see it here. Oh, it's right over here. So Floss eyeshadow in the color Corfu is worth 16 euros, and like I mentioned, you guys will be seeing this in a future giveaway. Okay, moving on to Essence. This is Me Gel Nail Polish. This is what it looks like. It's the color number 2 Happy. It's like somewhere between brick and rose. It's a very nice color. It's actually reminding me of my lipstick. Not that you guys can see it, but I can in real life. The Essence nail polish is worth €1.69. Okay, we got 2 last items and then the box is empty, and both of them are sheets. So this is the Vitamask Fruit Enzyme Pineapple Glow, made with pineapple extract, papain, and vitamin C. This is a sheet mask, and this is what that little sucker looks like. Very happy. As y'all know, I love me a good mask, so I'm very happy with masks. The Vitamask Ananas, really? Pineapple sheet mask is worth €4.74. I'm sorry, I'm saying ananas, which is no, but I'm reading it in Dutch and I have to translate in my head, and I'm just reading it like crazy, so sorry about that. Okay, loving that. And then the last item is from Orange Care. It's an intensive hand treatment, so it's a hand mask like these gloves. And what I'm gonna do with this one, like the Daily Concepts hair towel thing, I'm gonna give this away to Sinterklaas, for Sinterklaas or Christmas, for my mom. She is gonna love this. So I already have 2 mini presents. They're not, you know, the real present, but I do like to throw in these kinds of items. She loves them and I don't use them anyway, so I might as well surprise her with that. Okay guys, that is it for, I wanna say this month's box, but actually it's last month's box. What do we think? We've got, okay, I just stacked the items, so let me just count them. 3, 6, 9, 10 items, solid amount of items. I am, however, giving away a lot, I'm realizing. I'm giving away 1, 2, 3, 4, no, 1, 2, 3, yeah, I'm giving away 4 out of 10 items. Ooh, that's almost half. I wanted to say it's a nice box. I do enjoy the box. However, I'm not really keeping that much for myself. But still, I enjoyed this box. Okay guys, let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about last month's box? I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video, which is gonna be the goodie box from August again, because I need to finish those boxes. Okay, bye guys.